Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open NetSuite and sign in with your company email and single sign-on credentials. Confirm your role shows Analytics or Administrator. Click the Analytics tab and choose Workbooks to start your first analysis. Wait while the system loads metadata and permissions for your account. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for initial data caching before building a workbook. If your account enforces two-factor authentication, complete the second factor now. Keep your browser open and avoid multiple tabs during setup to prevent session conflicts. Select a dataset like transactions or items to base your workbook on. Choose fields in the left panel and drag them into columns and rows areas. Add measurements such as amount, quantity, or rate to the values area. Apply up to 3 filters to refine the dataset by date, entity, or status. Use aggregation functions like sum and count to summarize amounts and quantities. Preview results and adjust column formatting for currency, dates, and percentages as needed. Save a draft to preserve your changes before adding charts or pivot tables. Save the workbook, name it clearly, and set permissions for specific roles. Choose whether the workbook is private, internal, or company-wide before saving. To automate distribution, schedule exports to CSV or Excel to run daily, weekly, or every 5 minutes. Configure recipients by role, email, or individual address and set a clear subject line. Use the share function to generate a secure view link or to email a PDF snapshot. Test the schedule and access by running a manual export and confirming receipt within your team.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.